Everyone is so
Love you.
loud. I just wanna live in peace and quiet.
Japanese. King of fried rice. Ayan o, king of fried rice.
It's time for introspection.
Dito sa akin, puro pagkain na. Marami dito. Puro pagkain.
To keep on going, I need to breathe.
Sa Noob Kitchen. Bago to
Don't give me what I want, just give me what I need.
Wow.
I'll give
Sana
anything,
all.
anything.
Kaso lang hindi pa tayo pwede. Fish fish. Pwedeng kumain. Kaso
What I need,
make sure na meron kang
I'll
gamot.
be out of your way.
Kung sino pa yung masarap. Siguro nagkaroon ako naman. Bakit kaya ako nagkaroon ng
Messages of introspection.
kasi lagi kasi
To keep going,
sobra
I need to breathe.
leftover so yung leftover laging leftover the boss is fish so yun pero siguro magkakaroon tayo ng ganun magkakaroon tayo ng allergy sa seafood. So andito tayo ngayon sa Causeway Point. Bili tayo ng shampoo guys.
I just wanna breathe far.
Bagong open pa lang mga ibang shop. Mga ibang shop close pa lang.
I just
Open
wanna
pa lang to.
breathe far.
Just open. Dito tayo bumili.
Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to breathe forward thinking.
Kalabas tayo guys. Ulit. Yan. Bili lang tayo ng shampoo. Ay. Lapit. Parang uulan.
Oh no, touch me now.
Sure
I
ako.
wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change whenever you. I know right now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than you.
Get off the bad ones. I remember when calling you so
Oh no, touch me now. I don't wanna live
Yan. Puro
without
restaurant
you.
na guys. Yan ang
Nothing's gonna change whenever you. I know right now how
Kia.
much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than you.
Mga Korean foods, Chinese, Japanese. Yan, king of fried rice. Ayan o, king of fried rice. Diba?
And then I shine a light story called everything's peachy. Can't
Dito
wait
sa
to escape
akin,
straight
puro
to
pagkain
your
ang
twist, please.
marami dito. Puro pagkain. Sinoob. Sa Noob Kitchen. Bago to ah. Bago ba to? Ano, sa sarap. Wow. Sana all.
Life's all about balance.
Kaso lang hindi pa tayo pwede. Mga
And
fish
real
fish.
love takes
Pwedeng
practice.
kumain. Kaso lang make sure na meron kang gamot. Kung sino pa yung masarap. Siguro nagkaroon ako ng ano. Bakit kaya ako nagkaroon ng ano, ng allergy sa seafoods? Kasi lagi kasi may ano, sobra. Leftover pa. So yun, leftover. Most, the most is fish. So yun, yung kinakain. Ayan, siguro magkakaroon tayo ng ganun allergy. Magkakaroon tayo ng allergy sa seafoods. So andito tayo ngayon sa Causeway Point. Bili tayo ng shampoo, guys. Shampoo. Bagong open pa lang ng mga ibang shop. Mga ibang shop close pa, guys. Ka-open pa lang ito. Just open. Dito tayo bibili. Is mura.
Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality.
Puro ano to, mga
Sometimes sour,
bata.
sometimes sweet.
Shampoo ng mga bata. Powder. Johnson.